Best Nutrition Gadgets 2018. Consumers are more health conscious than they've ever been before, due to which businesses have caught on and all promising the world to fix our unhealthy habits. Here is a rundown of the best nutrition gadgets that use technology to aid us in leading a healthier life. Number 1. Beko Vacuum Blender. This vacuum blender removes all air before it blitzes your fruit and veg, thus retaining more vitamins and nutrients from the contents. Beko says the vacuuming process retains more antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin E in the juice for longer. Beko's vacuum blender also has a 1000-watt motor, and variable speed settings with serrated hardened stainless steel blades, which can blend the harder ingredients such as seeds, nuts and ice. It also boasts 4 blending functions, smoothie ice sauce as well as handy auto clean function. Number 2. Nutribullet Balance. Weight Management. The Nutribullet Balance weighs your food before you blend it, giving you a more accurate calorie intake. Its smart nutrition system, which sees the blender connect to an app on a smartphone or tablet, and give real-time nutrition data, down to the very gram. It does this by weighing the food that you put into it, measuring and tracking as you pop them into it. It can count calories, proteins, carbs, fats, and sugar content of recipes by using the built-in nutrition sensor. This is all about making it easier to make healthy smoothies, as users can follow the recipes built into the app, which are suggested based on the user's personal tastes and nutritional goals. Number 3. Hidrate Spark 2.0 Connected Water Bottle. Better hydrated. The Spark 2.0 connected water bottle helps you stay on track of your water drinking goals, reminding you when to take a sip and ensure you don't dehydrate. This smart water bottle, called the Hidrate Spark 2.0, comes with an accompanying smartphone app that personalizes your hydration goals based on individual physiology, activity, and even location. The bottles come with a replaceable battery that lasts a few months, so no charging is necessary, but you will need to buy new batteries. It also ensures forgetful people stay hydrated by holding them accountable. Softly glowing via a built-in LED to remind you to take a sip if you've not drunk enough.
Like, share, subscribe. LIFEBREAD 360. Press the bell icon so you will be notified every time I post new video.